pilots of number 19 Squadron Fighter Command stood by at Leconfield, Yorkshire, to take off for Germany. A last-minute briefing by Squadron Commander Wing Commander Cox. Wing Commander Jones and Group Captain Wootton, the station commander, saw them off. The Lightning Mark IIs are all-weather day and night interceptors, capable of twice the speed of sound. In Germany, they will replace Javelins. 40 minutes later, the 420-mile flight brought the squadron to its new quarters at Gütersloh. The main role of the RAF fighter force in Germany is the investigation of unidentified aircraft in a 30-mile wide defense zone. Pilots were welcomed by Air Marshal Lees, RAF C&C in Germany. A German officer added his greetings. The Lightnings increased Britain's contribution to peace in the West.